ever so slightly off. Things you could do asleep in a not too distant past. I try and your patience harder now. And though everything moves along, you hope that the rumor's wrong, that Mother Nature goes to heaven. Right, you never got it right. It